Alright y'all, this is my car collection, and we got the Minnie Mouse car, the 71 MG Midget Coupe, the 63 Studebaker Champ, the Moto Wing, the Captain Hook car, the 48 Willys Jeep, the 248N Jubilees, the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, this one, which is a '55 Ford delivery with a trailer. We got the Wagoneer, the Jeep Wagoneer with a Quonset hut trailer, which is a '81 Jeep. We got a '41 Cadillac Coupe, Series 62 convertible coupe, and we got a Big Air Bel Air. Then we got the Fast and Furious miniature cars. These. Tell me what you all think about it. Bye.